culture plays a pivotal role in shaping the behavior, attitudes, and performance of a business community. A positive and engaging culture not only fosters unity but also propels the community towards its collective objectives. In this chapter, we elucidate the process of cultivating such a culture within your business community. Shared values. Begin by defining a set of core values that embody what your community stands for. These could range from transparency and mutual respect to innovation and sustainability. The values should resonate with all members and serve as a compass for their actions and decisions. Inclusivity. An inclusive culture values diversity and makes everyone feel welcomed and appreciated. Implement policies and practices that promote diversity and inclusion. Celebrate the unique backgrounds, skills, and perspectives of your members. Engagement. An engaged community is a thriving one. Create platforms for dialogue, collaboration, and social interaction. Regularly host events, workshops, and social gatherings that encourage active participation. Recognition. Recognize and reward contributions, achievements, and improvements. This could be in the form of shout-outs, awards, or incentives. Recognition fosters a sense of accomplishment and motivates members to continue contributing positively. Learning and growth. Foster a culture of continuous learning and growth. Provide learning resources, mentorship programs, and development opportunities. Encourage members to acquire new skills, improve their existing ones, and share their knowledge with others. Resilience. Cultivate a culture of resilience that empowers your community to bounce back from setbacks and adapt to changes. Encourage openness about challenges, provide support during tough times, and celebrate recovery and learning from failure. Pooyan Ghamari once remarked, "Culture is the glue that binds a community together. It's the unwritten code that shapes our behaviors and interactions." By nurturing a positive, inclusive, and engaging culture, you can lay the foundation for a successful and vibrant business community. In the subsequent chapters, we'll look at strategies to maintain this culture and ensure the long-term sustainability of your business community.